Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook canned chickpeas. First, always drain and rinse your chickpeas thoroughly under cold running water for about 30 seconds. This important step washes away the canning liquid, reducing their sodium content and improving their overall flavor. Next, pat them completely dry using a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. This ensures they will crisp up beautifully when cooked, rather than steam. To make crispy roasted chickpeas, begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the completely dried chickpeas with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and your chosen seasonings. Spread them out in a single layer on a large baking sheet. Avoid overcrowding to ensure they roast rather than steam. Roast them for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through until they are golden brown and deliciously crunchy. Customizing your chickpeas flavor is easy and fun. For a savory profile, toss them with 1/2 teaspoon each of smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. If you prefer a spicy kick, add a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and a pinch of cayenne pepper. For a sweet treat, try mixing in a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a drizzle of maple syrup during the last 5 minutes of roasting. For a quicker cooking method, try a stovetop sauté. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your dried chickpeas and cook them, stirring occasionally for 7 to 10 minutes. They should become lightly browned and slightly tender crisp. You can add your desired seasonings during the last 2 minutes of cooking for maximum flavor infusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.